Hey guys, I've been upgrading my kitchen, and as you might see, it's a mess right now, but I wanted to show you the downdraft from Thermador. It's not fully installed yet, but just wanted to give you an idea of what it is. Alright, there it is, fully extracted. Let's quickly measure it out. I believe it is 18 inches, but yeah, it's about 18. I got it from the stovetop, so it's about half an inch there. Then when you turn on the blowers, there's speed 1. Then there's auto, delay, filter, and light. And then there's 3 settings for the light, or I guess high, low, and off. And then it goes down over under the cabinet. So I guess I'll zoom out here, show you guys. There's the cabinet, and there's the downdraft right here, all the way down. That's the downdraft. And this right here is the blower, sold separately. And the blower is attached through, I don't know if you guys could see it there. Okay, yeah, you could see it like that. It's just the circular duct plate right there. It's like almost 10 inches wide. And that was sold separately from Thermador. I believe they charged, I believe it was over $100, like 150 for it or something. And there's the wiring right here. This wiring was actually included, I mean, surprisingly, but Thermador sells everything individually. So I'm gonna unplug this first. And then I want to show you guys how this was connected. Okay. So this wire right here comes with the blower. And then that wire right there, it also came with the blower, but what it is it's the right connector. But then all of those wires are stripped at the end. And all of the wires inside of here on the downdraft, they're capped. They're also stripped and capped. So what you have to do is you have to connect them, but they don't come in the same colors. So after going through 3 different manuals to try to compare and everything, I wanted to quickly just show you guys what I came up with, and the right color matching that comes with it. So what I have to do is I have to take off this one screw, and then that second screw. This individual plate comes off. And like I said, I'm not done with this yet, so this blower is going to be on brackets. It has to be on solid surface of some sort, so I'm gonna make brackets for it, lay it down. This drill, obviously, it's a ghetto temporary holding object, but I went ahead and I took off the screws for this bracket, and then just to pull it off here, you could see kind of what's going on. Kind of get the easy one out of the way. The green is ground, so it will go there. And then for everything else, I'm going to try to pull it out here, hopefully without disconnecting everything. Alright, got them pulled out here. So this one right here, white with white, that one's pretty simple. I believe that's orange with orange. This one looks like this one's red with brown. And then this one's blue with blue. And this one is gray with black. So that's the color coding that goes in with it. They control the speed 1, 2, 3, the lights, and the power to the blower. So, and then there's the ground, the white, I believe the white are ground and the green is ground. But yeah, after looking through 3 manuals, just wanted to share that, so if somebody has questions about it, they could see it for themselves and just get it done right the first time without having to call out an electrician.